They said, son, we know you're better than that, 'cause we know we taught you how to act. From mama saying, don't turn that bottle up, 'cause it's in your veins to get hooked on that stuff. And Grandpa said, never lose faith, 'cause in the end you'll always find your place. And Grandpa said, play that guitar, but remember that gift's from beyond the stars. And they would say, lay in the bed you made, and always do what you say, 'cause this life is tough and it might be rough, but don't slow down. And looking back, it wasn't just the words they said, it was the truth, the scars that broke the heart that lied in a sinner's hand. Y'all feel me out there tonight? They said you'll go through matters of hell, but son, you know you can always tell just what to do, just when you fall, and when it's the end, when the good Lord calls. They used to tell me, lay in the beds you made, and always do what you say, 'cause this life is tough and it might be rough, but don't slow down. And looking back, it wasn't just the words they said, it was the truth, the scars that broke the heart that lied in a sinner's hand.